This video is about my personal experience when my YouTube account was hacked. And the hacker, he uploaded illegal videos by, as you can see here, advertise his own viruses. This famous Microsoft Office crack. You have seen your YouTube has been inflicted by these videos. Please remove them. And of course, I have received a strike. I can see here I have received an email from YouTube that my account. So I have received, suddenly I was in the gym and suddenly I received this email. We have removed your content. We have removed your content. And I was like, what video? It was like, it's considered dangerous. And after when I saw this, I was like, I didn't upload such a video. And also it was a couple of hours ago and it was like, wow, I was awake. How could I upload this kind of video? And then when I reached here, I found this video. It was uploaded. It has a timer, but now it's, of course, the YouTube removed this video. And of course, the only option I had is appeal, and appeal for not appeal that this video is not mine. The appeal was about if I want to keep the video. So there was not any form that I can say, this video is not mine. Remove the video by giving my channel. No, you need to go in a specialized request. And I think this video is all about to discuss about the specialized request. If this happens to you, what you can do in order to restore your account in this case. So I will show you here that I try to appeal. So basically, the only option I had was this. And I said, my account was hacked. I did not upload the video. This is not my video. I just received Google that my account is, and I put a lot of there what happened to me. But this will not work. I got the mail back from YouTube. I got a mail back from YouTube that my appeal was rejected. So I'm stuck with a strike. Let's say, don't worry. Usually most of the YouTubers receive no second strike. Hello. That's not what we have reached a decision on your appeal, and it says that unfortunately, we have to remove the video. Yes, remove the video, but give my strike back. But take the strike. But no, you continue to have the strike. So if this happens again, it will take your channel. I'm like, oh, no, something is wrong. So the next step, what you do after this, is to try to contact with YouTube. And believe me, it's not the easy way. It was so complicated. It's so complicated how to contact with them. Right? It's not a straight way. Basically, the only way you have to go to I have to search if somebody else account had the same problem, and I have found only one email, only one guy. He went all the way and did upload, did this. He reported that his account was hijacked. Okay, so you have to search YouTube. Account was hacked by someone and uploaded illegal video, right? There's no any videos about this. There's nothing any on YouTube. There is something, I don't know what's happened. So for that, I'm making this video to educate people. This is my personal experience. Of course, every experience will be different. So what steps you should do, right? So if this happens to you, this will not work. This description didn't work for me. So basically, go here and said, I want some help, right? You search this issue here, right? You describe your issue. And of course, need more help, contact us. This was you're supposed to do when this happens to you. Contact us. And here you put the description here, what happens, right? You put this. I cannot do. Yes, this one here. I need help with YouTube. Yes, you press next. You put your channel. Next. Account hijacket. Next step. You see, you have this. I have already this case, but you're gonna, this is gonna happen. Next step. He say you some advice here. Next step. And say chat. Click here. I'm not gonna click this now because I don't want to, disturb them. I haven't screenshot and show what I'm gonna explain to you what's gonna happen about what they're gonna say to you. But another issue, he was sent me a form after you have to report filling out this form, right? You're gonna receive information and you need to send a report so officially you to have access to your account and can change things. Because if you don't send this form, they cannot have access to your account. Very important. But I spent like 4 hours. The guy, he was sending me the link. I was clicking, but this could not appear. This here. I don't know why. So instead of this link, another link was coming. Maybe my laptop was still hacked, right? What I could see a page with these links. And I said to them, I don't see this page, but I see this page. They said, no, something wrong with your, no. You have to be logged in with your account and this page will come up. I try with logging with my account and log out. I try another browser. Still, this page does not come up. Remember that this is an important page that you should fill out. Okay, and he has all the important details that you should be, report, right? All your data, or we're not gonna go this list because there's a lot of privacy information here, but it's good to say that, my account was hacked, which day, what proof you have to upload the picture that, the proof, if it was a virus or suspicious activity, your computer report to you, and everything else, the IP address and everything else. Right, and once you report, you're gonna get an email, right? In my personal opinion, I received that they definitely, they understood that was a hack. They definitely confirmed that was a hacking, and this is, but it's automatic response, of course. After you have to wait another email, which say basically what you should do. Definitely, that was a unforgettable experience. What you should do is be patient, contact with YouTube, ask them to send you this report. If you don't get, let them know you don't get this report, right? But you get another link. This was the most important issue I had. They said to me that you have to wait a couple of hours. Ask them to send you an email with the link to report if you don't get the report. Be patient, fill up the report with the correct details here, right? And I'm sure your YouTube will help you recover your account, right? Thank you for watching. Please comment if you like my video and if you find this useful to your efforts.